morning students, hope you are doing well and fine. So today we are going to do the next exercise, that is 11.2. So in 11.2 we are dealing with parallelograms. So this is the figure of a parallelogram, okay, and this is the first figure in which if you see, this is 7 centimeters. This is the base of the parallelogram and this is the corresponding height, okay. So our base is given 7 centimeter and height is given 4 centimeter. So in this exercise we are dealing with area, and the area of parallelogram is base into height, okay, base into height, B into H you can write it. Suppose if you are going to this figure, this is the base, that is 2 centimeter, and this is the corresponding height, that is 4.4 centimeter. So what you have to do is, the formula is all about base into height. You have to check out the base and height. So this is the length of the base given 7 centimeter. Corresponding height is given 4 centimeter. And next come area of parallelogram. And the formula for area of parallelogram is base into height. What you have to do is just multiply 7 into 4. You will get 28. Since we are finding area, the unit should be in square. Okay, very easy topic is there. Same way, this is the A1 and this is the E1. Okay, so here the base is 2 centimeter and corresponding height is 4.4 centimeter, right? Nothing you have to do, just area of parallelogram, base into height, just you have to multiply it, 2 centimeter multiplied by 4 centimeter, and answer is 8.8 centimeter, okay. And square unit is very important when we are doing area, okay. So first A I have done and E I have done. So B, C and D is homework for you, okay. Same, just you have to find out the base and height, corresponding height, just multiply it, write the answer in square unit. That's it. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 2. Question number 2, we are going to deal with triangle, and area of triangle is half base into height. So don't get confused. Then the question is of parallelogram. The area is base into height, and when we are dealing with triangle, area of triangle, that is half base into height. So in this question, this is the A part and this is the B part, okay. So in this triangle, this 4 centimeter is the base and this 3 centimeter is the height, okay. So length of the base given, that is 4 centimeter, and corresponding height is 3 centimeter. We have to find the area. So area of triangle is half base into height. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3. So you can cancel 2 and 4. You will get 6 centimeter square. The unit should be in square, okay. And come to the next part, B part. So this is a triangle in which this 5 centimeter is the base and this is the corresponding height, that is 3.2 centimeter. So length of the base, that is given 5 centimeter, corresponding height is 3.2 centimeter. We have to find the area. Area of triangle is half base into height. So half multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3.2. So when you multiply 5 into 3.2, you will get 16, and cut that 16 and 2, you will get 8 centimeters square, okay. Very easy. So A and B I have done. So C and D, you have to do it. This is homework, okay. So question 2, C and D, you have to do it by your own. Same formula, half base into height, you have to put it and just put the number and solve it, okay. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Now come to the next part, question number 3. We have to find the missing values. Missing value means, in this question, base is given 20 centimeter, height is not given and area is given. Okay, we are having base, we are having area, but we are not having height. So we have to find out height. How to find height? So area of parallelogram is given 246 centimeter square. And what is area of parallelogram? Area of parallelogram means base into height. So here base we are having 20 centimeter and height that is not given. Just write centimeter here. 20 centimeter. Height is not given. Height we have to find out, but area is given. Okay. So what you have to do is, for finding the height, this is in the multiplication form. For finding the height, we have to do the division. Okay, we have to do the division here. So 246 divided by 20. So when you cut it, you will get 12.3. Okay. So in this way, we got the height, that is 12.3. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Now come to the next part, that is B part. Okay. So in this question, what is happening here? Base is not given, height is given, and area is also given to you. So in the previous question, we have to find height, but in this question, we have to find the base. Okay. So area of parallelogram, that is given 154.5 centimeters square. So the formula for area of parallelogram is base into height. That is given how much? 154.5 centimeter. So we have to find base here. Base is not given, that you have to find out. Height is 15 centimeter and area is 154.5 centimeter square. For finding the base, since here it is a multiplication, we have to do the division here. So 154.5 divided by 15. When you cut it, you will get base 10.3 centimeter. Okay. So A and B I have done. C and D is homework for you. Okay. So C and D is homework. So just you have to do the division and find out. If base is asked, you have to find the base. If height is asked, you have to find the height. That's it. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, now come to question number 4. Same missing value you have to find out, but the thing is you have to find the area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle is given here. So in the previous question, area of parallelogram was given. You have to find height and base. Rest everything is same. Only the formula is changed. So here in this question, base is given 15 centimeter, height is not given to you, but area of triangle is given 87 centimeters square. Okay. So the formula for area of triangle is half base into height. That is already given 87 centimeter square, but just half multiplied, base is given, just write 15 centimeter in the place of base. Height we have to find it, just write height, that is equal to 87 centimeter square. So we have to find height here. For finding the height, okay, if the question is to find height or if the question is to find base, okay, what you have to do is just whatever area is given there, okay, whatever area, just with that area multiply this 2. Okay, with the area multiply by 2, and whatever given, if base is given, divide by base. If the question is to find height, then divide by base. If you have to find base, divide by height. Okay, so in every question, this type of questions, area will be given to you. Okay, so what you have to do is this area you have to multiply with 2. Okay, and whatever out of this 2, either base or either height, whatever it is given to you, just divide by either base or either height. What you have to find out. Okay, so in this question we have to find out height, so we are dividing with base. If the question is to find base, you have to divide with height. Okay, nothing else you have to do. Keep it in your mind that given area you have to multiply with 2, and whatever, if the base is given, for finding the height just divide that base. Okay, if base is not given, you have to find if height is given, then what you have to do, just divide by height. Okay, that's it, nothing else is given here. Okay, so for the formula what you are writing, that should be correct one. We are dealing with area of triangle, and area of triangle is half base into height. Hope it is clear to you. And only 3 questions are here in this exercise, so B and C is homework for you. A I have already done to you. If B and C, these 2 questions are homework. Same thing, if height we have to find out, divide by base. If base we have to find out, divide by height. And keep it in your mind, area you have to multiply by this 2. That's it. Hope it is clear to you. Just go through it. Okay, for up to this question number 4 we are going to do in this video, and in the next video we are going to continue the rest of the questions. Hope it is clear to you, and do the homework, practice the question. This exercise is very simple. Okay, by heart the formula, it is very easy, and write the correct formula. Okay, correct formula you have to write it. Okay, half base into height for triangle and base into height for parallelogram. And if you have any doubt, just drop your message in campus. Okay, hope it is clear to you. Thank you.